In order to download apps on your Shopify store, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you're logged into Shopify. Then go to the left menu and select over here where it says apps. You want to press on it. Then a search bar like this is going to appear. And you can go ahead and install basically any app that you do need. Keep in mind that some of these apps do require payment. So let's say we wanted to go ahead and install the YouTube and Google app. We can go ahead and just look that up right over here. And yep, here it is, Google and YouTube, which is definitely one of the more popular ones. Now, some of these actually are free and are made by Shopify themselves. So let's go ahead and download this one right over here. And typically it's going to give you a bunch of information about the app itself. So if there's any other app you're looking for, you will need to go ahead and type it in, then go ahead and select on install right over here. And you will need to go ahead and actually verify the process as well. So you want to just press on install right over here and just make sure that you're 100% sure that this is the app that you want to install. All right, then afterwards we are good to go. We now have the app ready and we can go ahead and now connect our Google account and start using this app. So it is a pretty simple process that thankfully Shopify makes it relatively easy. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.